Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be folding this traditional Masu origami box. You can see it has a lid and a base to hold all your little treasures. I put this little mouse and the pattern in mine. So you're going to prepare 2 pieces of square paper. It doesn't matter which size, but 6 by 6 is good. So with the first piece of paper, you're going to fold it corner to corner, but you're going to back off just a little bit. You can see I left this little edge right here because we're going to make this part a little bit smaller than the lid so that it'll fit inside the lid. So you'll just trim this little piece off, and then you can see I didn't fold so well or cut so well, so I'm just cleaning up my triangle. Okay. So I'm going to start with this other piece. We're going to fold it corner to corner into a triangle. Open it up, fold it the other way, making sure to line up your edges really neatly and crease those edges really nicely. Then you're going to open it up and you'll see this cross right here. Now you're going to take each corner and fold it in toward the center. You just want to make sure that your edges are lining up here. You don't want any big gaps. Good. Now we're going to do what's called a closet fold. So take one side, fold it to the center line, flip it around, fold the other side in. You can see why it's called a closet fold. Now you'll open those 2 up and do the same thing on the other side. Folding into that center crease line. Good, make sure those creases are nice and crisp. Then you'll open it up and we're going to just flip out 2 of the corners. And now right on this crease line that we've already made, you'll fold in on the side to make this little burrito shape. Now this part can get a little bit tricky, but what we're looking for is where the bottom of the box is going to be, and that's where I'm giving it this little extra crease. So you can open it up and see where that bottom piece is going to be. And now you're going to pinch the edges and crease, and then you'll fold the flap right over. So this might be tricky the first time, but just have patience and work with it. The paper will eventually show you how it wants to be folded. So watch again. I'm going to crease that line. Now pinch it in. Get these little triangles that you want to make sure you crease nice and tight before you fold that edge right over. Good. Now one is done. You're going to do the same thing over again. I'll just let you watch this one. So finishing up this second piece, get all those corners creased nicely, fixing up anything that isn't neat, pinching those corners just to make it nice and square, and then you get to fit the base inside the lid like so. Wonderful. Now you can fill it with your little treasures or small toys, buttons, beads, anything you'd like. Remember, you can make these different sizes. And I like to use these tied up with a ribbon to give gifts to my friends. So now that you know how to make this origami Masu box, you can teach your friends, you can teach your parents, and you can make lots of them to have in your room. So thank you for following along and learning with me today. I hope you come back to learn more creative projects with me. Wishing you all the best. Be well, my friends.